Hey everybody, this is Dr. Nelson. This is a lesson on something called transversals. Okay, and for this activity, you're going to need three things. You're going to need a ruler, a pencil, and then some type of highlighter or marker. Okay, so if you don't have these things, please pause the video, go grab them, and then come back and hit play. Alright, so what exactly is a transversal? Well, let me show you. Okay, what I want you to do with your ruler, please, is I want you to draw two lines. Alright, yours is going to be nearer than mine because I'm doing mine freehand. But here's one line. And then with the ruler, we draw another line. And for now, we'll have it be parallel to the first line. Alright, so there's our two lines. And notice, the lines have arrows, meaning they go on forever. Alright, now I'm going to use a different color. Feel free to do the same if you want. But a transversal will go through both lines and intersect both those lines at two distinct points. A point there, and then also a point there. Okay? So the transversal is actually this black line. That's what the transversal is. Okay? And if you notice, it creates angles. So here, there's an angle here. That's angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. And it creates four other angles here. Angles 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? So the definition of a transversal, and write this down please, is a line that passes through two lines in the same plane at two distinct points. At two distinct points. Alright, so again, over here we had our two red lines. So the transversal is the black line that goes through, and notice it intersects the red lines at two distinct points. Okay, so this black line is the transversal. Alright. Why don't you pause the video and try the problems on the next page, and then when you're done, hit play, and you can see how you did. Alright, good luck. Alright, welcome back. Let's see how you did with these your turn problems. So for these problems, you had to highlight each transversal. Okay, so remember, a transversal is a line that intersects two other lines. So this first one, the transversal would be this line right here. I'm going to highlight it in pink. Alright, so that's a transversal. Down here, this line is a transversal. For this one, here's the transversal right here. And last but not least, here's the transversal for this problem. Okay? And notice, again, how a transversal creates angles. Okay, so over here we have angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright, I hope you have a good understanding of transversals.